welcome back to my channel. Today Baye tribe and Sheila shippers, it's like today now for feasting for them, as Baye don't come out to come announce say she dey give out 1M for giveaway to her fans. And also Sheila shippers, they happy because Sheggz and Bella reunite few hours ago. So as we all know, Sheggz travel out of the country to go spend time with him mama and to do him mama birthday. So he has been busy enjoying London and everything. So few hours ago, I can't just struggle wetin be her name, Bella page. I can see Bella do fine hair. She did for motor, they go somewhere. I can say, now wow, this girl look beautiful for this new hair where we say she do. Not knowing say her boy they call Sheggz, he don't come back from London. So she dey go visit her man. So now so Sheggz come for Instagram story to come drop this fine video for us where Bella they set up the camera where we say they want take do their content where we say they want to. Now remember to say a few days ago Sheggz come and come promise the fans TikTok video on Sunday. So I dey guess now waiting make Bella the help and they set up the camera. So if you watch this video and never subscribe, I beg try make you subscribe. Help me like this video, share them and drop a comment for the comment section below. Una thank you. For those people wey be say they hope say the Sheila ship go spoil, turn out say the thing not spoil. Two of them they still dey very much strong in love and they still dey do their thing together. See the way Bella dey blush where Sheggz the video her. Love is good. They say love is sweet with the right person. I dey root for the both of them in my own way. So onto Ilebaye matter. Ilebaye come out today, come make announcement that she's giving 1 million naira giveaway to her Baye tribe only. She say today night be the 4th of February. Look at the flyer here. So the venue now for IG, Instagram, she go give for Instagram, she go give for Facebook, she go give for X website they call Twitter, previous Twitter, and she go give for TikTok. Tell una the criteria for those of maybe Baye tribe to take win the money. But before that, make I just give read out the announcement. So the person come to say today Baye tribe is eating good. Our queen is giving out 1 million naira. Stay tuned on the fan page by 6 p.m. You lose. Ilebaye 1 million giveaway. Ilebaye X Baye tribe. Well, Ilebaye, from what I don't notice, that girl na really a giver. Of all the winners wey be say they come out so far, Lekon 1 naira, Lekon not give fans. White money the same thing. Mercy Eke, well, Mercy Eke, I think Mercy Eke don't give. Mercy Eke don't do give away with her fans sometimes. But Lekon, White money, and the rest of them, they know they Fina don't give. Fina don't do give away, but the rest they know they do. All of them just collect their money, lock up. A good thing to give back to the society is a very good something. So I applaud them. So the criteria for the giveaway, they say now people every say don't post Ilebaye for like 3 months backwards. So if you know say you never post Ilebaye 3 months backward, or you not follow for their fan page for all those social media handle where be say I call for now, there's no hope for you. For those of now waiting for Twitter, you go good morning attend their space now by 6 p.m. today. The space for Twitter, they go open space, so you fit join there and they fit pick you. So everybody good luck. Una take care, una bye.